the- there are people who've been asking me whether Clickworker pays, and every time I say yes, people think I'm either not disclosing the whole thing. So it's been a while since I was back here because I done most of the jobs. So I want to show you just how many jobs are available for me right now, just to show you that it's true. You can do jobs on Clickworker and you can earn. So when you scroll down to instant jobs, I know by now, if you have watched my previous videos, you know how to get here. So we have on instant jobs, we have this partner platform, which is paying you 1.11 euro. So that's a job I'll pick. We have these other which are 0.5, 0.5. These are jobs I also pick because if you add all those together, you get good money. You can see 1.90, 0.54. Like, these are all jobs that I'm going to do. And this is why I keep telling you guys, Clickworker pays. Just be frequenting the app, and also just follow just browse around the app to see what you can do to also improve the rate at which you are assigned jobs. You can see we have 2.20 euros. I'm coming back to do that. We have 0.40, 0.06, 2.28, again 0.54. You can see the jobs are there and they are paying well. And remember, Clickworker pays every week, so depending on the jobs you do, you'll be certain that you will be able to withdraw your money. Again, they don't have a minimum amount that you can withdraw. Whatever you earn at the end of the week, you're able to withdraw that to your chosen method of withdrawal. Okay, so when you come back here, available jobs on the other part, we also have this photo capturing, which is paying 1 euro. We also have computer jobs, so these I'll be going on my laptop and doing them, so I'll be showing you that maybe the last part of this video. So we have the first one which paying 1 euro, the other one is 1 euro as well, and this other one is 1 euro as well. If you've been able to count that, that is more than 10 euros at this point. So if you're able to do these jobs, you are certain that you will have at least some money, some few change here to help you along.